Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I made these delicious Parmesan Crusted Tilapia fillets. These are packed with flavor and very easy to make. Let's get started. We're using some tilapia fillets for this recipe. I have about 4 fillets in a mixing bowl. Pour a 1/4 cup of melted butter all over the tilapia fillets. Then gently toss the fish around to coat in the melted butter. Once they are very well coated in the butter, go ahead and set them aside. Then we're going to put together the breading for the tilapia. On this plate, we have 1/2 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. Into that, pour 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, salt, and black pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once mixed in, we're going to coat the tilapia in the Parmesan breadcrumbs. Make sure you press the tilapia fillet into the breadcrumbs and coat both sides. Once coated, transfer it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Next, we're going to repeat the process with the rest of the tilapia fillets. Once all the fillets have been breaded, we're going to spray them with some olive oil spray. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the tilapia into the oven to bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Here is the Parmesan Crusted Tilapia when it's all done baking. The aroma is so good. I served this over some sauteed rice and vegetables. This Parmesan Crusted Tilapia came out very flavorful, juicy, and delicious. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.